Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Louise and this is Louise's Lifestyle. Thank you for joining me. So I'm filming in my kitchen because I don't have any spare room to film anywhere. Just got back from Tesco's. I went to the allotment first thing this morning to check on everything and pick one or two veggies. And then on the way I thought I'd get some crusty bread. Get it in the morning while it's fresh, and I always look at the fruit aisle when I'm in Tesco's, and I came across this mango, and it's an IRWIN mango. I don't think I've had an IRWIN mango before. Look at the colour of it, gorgeous. So this is an IRWIN mango from Spain. I'll put up the screenshot of the crate it was in and the price. So there were just a few of these in the box. I think it was a crate of 9. So I decided to get 2. That one's quite soft. This one's not as soft, but definitely ripe. So I've got 2. So yeah, I don't think I've ever tried one of these before. I may have done in the past and not known, you know, never checked the name, the variety name. So yeah, I'm going to give this a taste test. And yesterday we got a load of guavas, more Pakistani guavas. We like guavas in our house. And then I got these mangoes anyway, you know, I just thought I'd get these. These are, I think, OSTEEN, yeah. So OSTEEN variety. I've had OSTEEN mangoes before, plants I should say, or young saplings. So I thought I'd get one of these. Now these, it says ripe and ready. I'll give that a bit of a, yeah, it just feels soft. So it's green, it's not turned that colour, but it's turning there. So I might do a comparison, see how different they are. Well, that's definitely ripe, very soft. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try now. That was lovely. Very sweet. Fibrous. See, there's a lot of fibre in there. But, you know, doesn't hinder the taste in any way. And fragrant. Nice. Very pleasant. That's the IRWIN mango. As I say, I've never tasted one of these before, or may have done unknowingly, but this was in the finest section. I don't always get my mangoes from Tesco, mainly get them from the Asian stores, but yeah, I'll just have another piece. Not bad. Not bad. There's no tanginess in there at all. Sweet. Reminds me of tin mangoes. And if you ever had tin mangoes, I have. Oh gosh, back in the early 60s and 70s. a lot of my viewers probably weren't even born then, but tin mangoes were a thing. you didn't always get fresh mangoes. And yeah, that reminded me of them, you know, possibly because it's very ripe and soft. And yeah, I think I'll keep the seeds in there and see if I can get that to germinate and have my first IRWIN mango. So I'm going to cut open this one, the Spanish mango, OSTEEN variety. As I say, I've had mango plants, OSTEEN grafted plants before now. And yeah, Spanish mango, so I'm going to try that now. Right, so you can see this is not as ripe. You can just see a little hint of ripening going on there. So although it says ripe and ready to eat, it could do with possibly another couple of days. So I'll try and eat the part that's got the most yellow in it. And let me just have a sniff. Not much aroma coming off that. As I say, I think if I'd left that a couple more days, might have given off more of an aroma. Now, some mangoes ripen to this colour. I remember, was it the Catimon I had? That was a lovely mango. I've not seen any of those this year. So I'll just try this now. That was very zesty, sort of tangy, possibly because it's not fully ripe, but not unpleasant, not raw. You know, don't taste like a really unripe mango. Nice. Right, so have these later, and I'll save that OSTEEN mango, let that ripen for a couple more days. That can be eaten straight away, really. It's as ripe as that one. But yeah, well, nice to try the IRWIN mango for the first time. Very sweet, very pleasant, fibrous, nice aroma, sort of floral. Not much aroma coming off this. I put that down to it not being ripe. The OSTEEN, so probably haven't given it a fair comparison with it not being as ripe, but as I say, not unpleasant to eat even in that condition. And maybe I can extract the seeds, and who knows, might have an IRWIN and an OSTEEN seedling. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.